Hey, I'm Scott Yingling with YNG Tactical and KRAVOLUTIon, 3e Régiment Étranger d'Infanterie, the 3e French Foreign Regiment here in Kourou. I want to welcome Ryan Hoover. He just got here with Fit to Fight. He just came down here finally from North Carolina, all the way from North Carolina, to give us a 2-day seminar here, as I said before, here in Kourou, French Guiana. I just want to welcome Ryan. Thanks for coming.
Absolutely, man. It's my pleasure.
Sounds outstanding. Just wanted to maybe get an idea of what we're going to be looking at for the next 2 days.
So today is going to be mostly a lot of clinch work, a lot of vertical grappling, attacking the head, attacking the body, maybe setting up some takedowns, working in some hand fighting, neck wrestling, that kind of stuff. Tomorrow be similar, but we'll start plugging in some knife work with that. Being able to access fixed blade and use that should the situation dictate, but it'll kind of build off of the things that we do today. You know, we don't have a separate kind of delivery system for having a knife necessarily. It's being able to fight and having a knife in my hand. So
okay, so we're not going to learn two different systems. It's basically just having the knife and punch in and not turn it into a collie system.
We're not dueling. You know, and I don't need a whole nother set of skills to be able to integrate the knife, because I need to be able to fight however I fight, not all of a sudden now I have to switch my stance, or now I have to, you know, stand a certain way or use my hands a certain way. I have a knife and now it's an extension of the way that I fight.
Great. Last question though, with that system, with what we're going to be seeing the next 2 days, you know, I'm going to have guys who are real experienced legionnaires of 20 years that have seen combat. Yep. And I'm going to have some younger people and some ladies here. Is that going to present any type of problem as far as the large difference in experience?
Yeah, I don't think so. I mean, obviously some of the guys with a lot of experience, you know, it may be things that they've seen before, done before, or whatever, and you know, maybe they'll see it presented a little bit different way, or a different kind of drill or something like that. But I mean, we don't do like a whole lot of what I would call advanced kind of thing. So yeah, we kind of stick to bread and butter, meat and potatoes kind of stuff. So that should carry over to pretty much everybody.
Be brilliant in the basics. Yeah. All right, Ryan, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Looking forward to training with you.
Appreciate the invite.
All right. Here you are, the 3e Ray. Ryan Hoover, Fit to Fight, working with the HR1, Ryan Hoover's knife, training with a bunch of guys from the 3e Ray, wives, family, here in the dojo in the 3e Ray. That's the 3e French Foreign Infantry Regiment. Ryan's been here for 2 days. We're just wrapping up the last bit of time, working with the knives. Already thinking about how we're going to get back together the next time.
And we're going to do it kind of, again, just a warm up. So I'm just going to have Scott put his hand on my same side shoulder here. Going inside, just